Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a game from your profile from everyone on your PlayStation 5 so nobody can see it. Just go up to your profile right here and select it and go to Profile. Then go all the way to the right to Privacy Settings right here. Select this. Then go on down to Your Activity. And there's going to be three different options. Who can see your online status and what you're currently playing. You can set this to friends only. Who can see your gaming history. You can set this to no one if you really want. And then this will limit who can see the games you played, your trophies, and your participation in challenges. Now, if you want to do it just for one specific game, you can go to here. And maybe it's just single player games you don't want them to see. So if you're playing like Battlefield 6 or something, I don't know, that will hide it from your profile. So look at these options under privacy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.